Hi, I'm Heike Zelloff, Key Account Manager at Shopware. As you might have heard, we had to cancel our Shopware Community Day in Duisburg, which was actually planned to happen at the end of this month. But especially in times like these, we at Shopware feel that taking care of our community and sticking together is more important than ever. So as an alternative, for the very first time in Shopware history, we will host a completely digital event, which is free of charge. So we would like you to join us on the 18th and 19th of June for many interesting talks from Shopware, but also from other very special guests. So day one, happening on the 18th of June, is designed for shop owners and merchants. Here the relevant topics from digital commerce, as well as the solution Shopware provides, are presented. And I'm very excited to be your moderator, guiding you through the program of day one. Day two, the 19th of June, is designed for developers in our community and those who want to become one. As a developer, you might be already familiar with the moderator of the second day. It's actually Shopware developer evangelist Niklas Tschösch. So how does the registration actually work? To sign up for day one, day two, or actually both, go to scd.shopware.com. So join us as we discuss the current challenges, solutions, and developments in e-commerce. We look forward to connecting with you at the Shopware Community Day 2020.